Hi crafty friends, Melissa Minor here. Thanks so much for joining me on my YouTube channel. Today I'm going to be showing you some products that are Stamps of Life made but are only available on the HSN website. Stephanie Bernard from the Stamps of Life is going on HSN to sell these products, and I've made quite a few samples that I'd like to share with you today. Now, you can also go to the Stamps of Life website, and they do have an online gallery where you can see many other creations to give you inspiration if you do decide to purchase these dies. I will have a link listed down below in the description box where it will take you over to the HSN website. I'm not an affiliate with this, so I don't get any kickback or anything, but it just helps you get to the site more easily. All right, so let's go ahead and jump in and take a look at all the dies. Now this first one, this is the Santa Folded, and this makes a Santa shaped card, but you don't have to just make a shaped card. You can add this to an A2 card, a 5x7. So let me show you some of the samples that I've made. So this one is on an A2 card in more of a traditional style Santa. Super cute. And then this next one, now this one I just used the head, and then I stamped a stamp on the inside there for a sentiment. So I like that you can use the body or just the head. This one I've added to the front of a shaker window. So that's super cute with the pink Santa. And then for my next one here, this one I've made into a shaped card. So this is how it was designed to be made, as a shaped card. And then my final one here, this one I added to a 5x7 card. So you can see all the different varieties that you can make with the Santa. Super cute, and I love this one. So this is a great one to add to my Christmas collection of stamps and dies. And then I'll have a close-up here of all of the cards. So here is a close-up of all of those cards. All right, so let's take a look at the next one. Now the next one that I want to show you, this is the Snowman Folded, and you get several little pieces with this. You get the arms, and you get a little snowflake. You get the nose that's separate. You get a present. So let's take a look at these. Now this is also intended to be a shaped card, but again, you don't have to. This one I added to a shaker front, so you can see those little sequins in there. Oh, I think this one's so pretty. And then I added some jewels there to the center for the buttons. Embrace the magic of the winter season. And this one I've placed on a 5x7 card. So that's cute. I love his little arms. So you can reposition his arms. You can make them with arms, without arms. So you'll see that first one doesn't have arms, and then I added the arms. This one I made all pink and added little bows around the neck. Little bling there for the buttons down the front. And then this is on an A2 size card. Lots of different options, and they all look totally different. And then I've got one more here. Let me bring in my last card. Oh, this one's my favorite, I think. So I used a little bit of the shiny foil paper on the hat, and this one is a shape card of how it's intended. So that one's super cute too. All right, here is a photo of all of the cards together, so you can take a look. And there you go. That was the Snowman Folded. All right, so the next up, we've got some fun ones, or at least I think they're fun. Okay, this is called the Envelope Dies with Liner, and you get a ton of dies in this one. So there's lots of different words, so drop-ins that you can add for these liners. Here's where you can make like little envelopes to go in the front. This one says paper hugs, and then we've got the card front. Look at all these dies you get. You get sending you... I think that says sending you paper hugs. I'll show you in a minute. I have a sample with it. And then we've got all of these dies. There's the outline for the words. Sending you a paper hug, I think is what it says. And then hello friend. So these are really cute. So here's one where I just cut out the envelope and then did some paint splatters. And then at the top, you can see like those little dots that I used to make on the envelope. So these are envelope inserts. It makes the envelope and you can do the liners for them. So here's one with birthday cakes. Like how fun would that be to send a card with that on there? Or you can just hand it to someone. Okay, here's that word die. So it's stamped happy or have happy mail, sending you a paper hug. Isn't that cute? Love that. So you can make an envelope and a card to match. Here's another one. Look at that. I think that's called the wedding circle maybe on the liner, sending you a paper hug. But see how these match the card and the envelope? I think that's a really cute idea. And then I've got a couple more here. This one, I used the Hello Friend. That's the drop-in. So that'd be cute. And then here is a close-up of all of the cards. Or envelopes, rather, and a couple cards. Okay, we have another fun one coming up. So this next set, this is called the Scalloped Gift Card Holder. So you get a lot of dies in this one too. I really like this one. You get some tags on there. You can see lots of dies. So here's a little, it's a gift card envelope holder. So you can place the gift card right in that little pocket. That one I've just made like with a little sweater on it. Then this one says just a little something. Isn't that cute? For you. And you could put the gift card in there. And then we've got this one. Now this one, I'm going to leave it tied up. But this one I have some little tags inside. And you can see I decorated that. And it says just a little something. So that one's really cute. But you can tie it closed with an envelope. Here's another one. Just a little something. And you add the gift card in there. And then just a little something. I really liked that one, so I used that one a lot. And then this one, I just added some little tags. So if you ever do those swaps where you send little embellishments to your friends, you could use this not only as a gift card holder, but you could maybe cut out some die cuts, some flowers, some tags, anything you'd like, and then send that to one of your crafty friends. So that one's really cute. That is called the Scalloped Gift Card Holder. All right, moving on to the next one. This one I really, really like. This one's called Snowball Fun Snowman. So it's got little sentiments wishing you a winter wonderland of happiness on your special day. Have an amazing day. You're as cool as a snowman, and thank you. And then it also comes with the dies. So this is so cute. I love this little snowman. All right, so let's take a look at the samples that I made. You're going to love these. So this one is just a little winter thank you. And I've got the snowmen colored up there. Aren't they cute? I love that. And then I've got a few more here. So I think I made 5 of each. This one's just welcome winter. And that little snowman. And you can't really see it on camera, but I used a glitter brush and added a little glitter to all of the snowballs. So this is on a 5x7 card, and I used all 3 of the little snowmen on that one. And then here's one on the scalloped card base. But look at that. Isn't that cute? Just using some of the different Stamps of Life paper. And now this one, I made a Memory Dex card. And that's super cute. So here's a look at all of those. I really think that one's my favorite. Those snowmen are just adorable. Okay, moving on. Let's take a look at the next one. This one is called the Winter Stage Die. So with this one, it's a dimensional card, but it does go flat for mailing. And look at all the pieces that you get with this. You get a ton of dies with this one. So let's take a look at these. These are kind of hard to show on camera. So I didn't use like the winter stuff for this one, but I used the stage card. So it doesn't have to be winter. You can use it all year long. You snailed it. I think that one's cute. This one says truckload of hugs. So again, I just used the stage portion and did not use any of like the little drop-ins and stuff. So you can be used all year round. Here's one, I get well soon. Feel better wishes. These are some different Stamps of Life dies and stamps that I've used on all of these, and some embellishments. And then this one has the butterflies. Oh, I think I need to put a little more glue on this one. Let me fold it here. Yeah, I didn't get enough glue on this one. Sorry about that. Make sure you put enough glue before sending to the recipient. The double-sided tape works really well too, and I think I did the double-sided tape on those other ones. Isn't this one cute? There's those snowmen again. Now this one I did use the drop-ins, the winter drop-ins. Oh, I just love this one. And it comes with that word, Hello Winter. And you can see right there that drop-in on the sides. Isn't that cute? I love that. Okay, so let me bring all these in. Now these are kind of hard to see on camera because they're three-dimensional. I'm not really set up for three-dimensional, only for flat cards here. But here is a look at all of these, and this is called the Winter Stage Die. But again, it doesn't have to be winter. It could be used all year round. So there's a look at all of those cards. All right, let's take a look at the next item that's available on HSN. This is another one where you get a ton of dies. This is called the 5x7 card die set. So you get the piece to make the box, and then you get all of these layering dies. So you get the layering dies for the sides. Then look, you get a flower, you get a heart, you get lots of words. There's so much stuff. Now it comes in really pretty packaging. All of mine are used, and these are just the samples so that I could make the products. But you will receive it in nice packaging and everything. So I just wanted to make sure that I let you know that. But look at all this stuff you get. So many words and pieces. And this is a really good set. And HSN usually has really good prices as well. Okay, so let's look at these. I love this one for Halloween. Look at that. I did like a mummy. I taped little strips on the back and made it like a mummy all around. Then I used some acetate and put some pieces in there for the ghost and the hat, just all the different Halloween sets. It says trick or treat, and then it says for you. Isn't that super cute? And then it stands up, but then again, it also lays flat for mailing. So that'd be really cute to send to someone to place on their desk or wherever. And I love this one too. I made with the little gingerbread men here. It says for you. So we've got the Christmas one. And then this is Happy Birthday with some of the bees. So you get all these layering pieces. You can make it whatever you want it to be. You can use any of your stamps and dies to customize it however you'd like. And then, oh, I love this one because I love that little skating bear. Skating through winter, I think that one says. Yep. And then Hello Friend. So that one's cute. And then my last one here, I made lots of flowers, and it just says for you. So this could be anything. This could be birthday. This could be get well, thinking of you, whatever you want it to be. And then you can write your message on the back, except that Halloween one because I have lots of mummy stuff on there. But these are super cute. So I hope you've enjoyed these cards. Head on over to the HSN website, and you can purchase these there. If you've enjoyed this video, please hit that thumbs up button. If you're new, I hope you'll subscribe and come back. Thanks so much for watching, and I'll catch you in the next video. Bye!